Hello everyone, welcome to Sandy La Pastelera. Today we are going to make a carrot cake, and to make it a little bit different we are going to use dates and granola. Let's go with the recipe. We are going to need 2 eggs, 90 grams of coconut oil, 140 grams of flour, 5 grams of bicarb, 5 grams of baking powder, 2 grams of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 134 grams of grated carrot, 95 grams of dates, 55 grams of granola, 120 grams of crushed pineapple, 130 grams of sugar. For the cream cheese icing, we are going to need 63 grams of butter, 120 grams of cream cheese, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of orange juice, and 250 grams of icing sugar. For the process of this recipe, we are going to add into a bowl all the dried ingredients, then the wet ingredients, and then mix it until everything is homogeneous. After mixing everything, we are going to have a dough that looks like this, and then we are going to put it into our mold and then into the oven. So you can see here we are going to use this type of mold that the base comes out, and we are going to use this paper so that when the cake is ready it can come out easily. We have our dough ready in the mold, so now we can just put it in the oven. Our cake is in the oven, so in the meantime we are going to do our cream cheese icing. For this we are going to do the following things. We are going to add into our bowl our icing sugar and our butter. We are going to cream it until it's all nice and fluffy and it changed the color to like white, and then we are going to add our vanilla essence and our orange juice, and then at the end we are going to add our cream cheese. We are adding our icing sugar and then our butter. Then we are going to put it in the mixer, and with a paddle we are going to mix it until it's all nice and fluffy. Now we are going to add our vanilla essence and our orange juice. At the end, we are going to add our cream cheese. Our carrot cake is ready, so now we are going to decorate it. Now we are going to add our cream cheese icing on top. Now we are going to spread our cream cheese icing all over our cake. Once we have our cake ready with our cream cheese icing all over our cake and very nicely and smooth, we are going to put a little bit of our cream cheese icing in a piping bag with this kind of nozzle, and then we are going to use this stencil to have this decoration on top of our cake with cocoa powder. Let's do it. Now we are going to add a little bit of granola, and we are going to add more of the cream cheese icing. Our carrot cake is ready! Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please press like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Adiós!
Este día vamos a elaborar un té o una infusión de guayusa.
Hoy vamos a hacer un té muy especial que se llama Wood Sorrel, que viene de la familia Oxalis, del género Oxalis, y como ven